Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to check who is using your Wi-Fi and block them. So as you can see, this is my page and page for all the other people as well. It's very similar across multiple different Wi-Fi routers actually. So I have this window with the settings of my actual router. So let me just input my password and log in so I can show you guys how to block unnecessary people from accessing your Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is our settings, and basically what you need to do, you can see the multiple settings on the left pane in here. Okay, so basically from these settings you need to go to DHCP and then go to clients list. And as you can see, you will, and in here in this list you will have multiple devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi. And as you can see, we have client name, address, IP, and lease time. This is basically the amount of time that the device is connected to the network. And now what you need to do, you just open up the application on your phone. The application is called Tether. I will send you the screenshots on what to do in the device. So your mobile phone is going to be actually the one that will be able to disconnect and block the unnecessary devices. So here are the screenshots on the screen. So first of all, this homepage, you select your router. After that you log in, then you press on the clients tab, and in here in the clients you find any client that you want to disable, click on it and press block, and they will not be able to use your Wi-Fi anymore. Very easy thing to do, guys. Hopefully this helps. If it did, press like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.